Okay, let's now take a look at Bayes' rule. Bayes' rule is very important in machine learning. Yeah, because it deals with conditional probabilities. There's also a classifier that's called naive Bayes classifier. Just keep in mind that in a classification problem, we try to predict the label y given a data set D. And the vertical slash D means conditional probability. So let's derive a Bayes formula. So let's consider two events, an event A and an event B. A occurred n1 times, B occurred n2 times, and A and B occurred together m times. You see, this description shows that A and B happened together, and A and then this sign B means A or B. So it means everything can happen. Yeah. So now let's see how we can calculate the chance that A or B happened. Right? Basically, it's the chance that this happened, right? It's the chance that A minus B happened, plus, now I can do the same on the other side. That is B minus A. This is A minus B. This is B minus A. And then the middle one, there's a chance that they occur together. I would call them AB. We will later see that events that occur together, we can multiply them under certain conditions. Just don't worry about it at this point. We just call it AB happening together. Yeah, now this piece here is the same as A minus this common part. Yeah? So equals at the chance that A happens minus the common part, and that's AB. Here is the same, is the chance that B happens minus the common part. And then we have still this plus AB here at the end. Now we see that this one and this one can disappear. So that means that the chance that A or B happens is the chance that A happens plus the chance that B happens minus PAB. Okay? Now let's define conditional probability. And that's basically what is the probability of event A, and then the slash means, or the vertical line means, given that B has already occurred. So B has occurred, what's the probability that I will find A? Yeah? So, this is the conditional probability. Yeah? Now we know that B happens in n2 times. Yeah? And we know that once you consider that B is a given, the only piece where we can find A is this middle piece. And that occurs m times. So let's now both divide by n. Yeah? What we then get is that PAB, PA given B, equals PAB, yeah, that is m divided by n divided by, and 2 by n, that's the probability of B. Okay, so that gives us that PAB equals, so I bring this to the other side, that is PB plus, now times, the chance that A occurs given B. Yeah. Now we can easily calculate the probability of B given A. Then I just replace A by B in this formula. So that means PBA equals PA times the probability of B given A. Yeah. I just swap this. Now these are the same. Yeah? So that means that the chance of A given that B has happened times chance that B happens equals P that A happens times P that B happens given A. Yeah? So that means that the conditional probability of A given that B has happened equals probability of A times the probability of B given A, and I divide that by the probability of B. Yeah? And also the probability of B, I can just probability of B given A, yeah, that's this one, that is PB times the probability of A given B divided by PA. Yeah? This is Bayes' rule. Yeah? This is Bayes' rule. Very important to understand. Yeah? It's about conditional probabilities. But the nice thing is that it basically couples A given B with B given A. Yeah? So that means that an alternative for this is that we are looking for the data given the label.